Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to add an outline or a stroke to a text in GIMP. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So let me go ahead and write on the forehead right here. I'll say, I like Rust. Okay, it's my favorite game. I like the game. And be like, okay, we just want just a little outline around it. So how are we going to do that, right? We're going to go to the right click it, and press duplicate layer. Okay. Now on the bottom layer, I'm going to go ahead and change it to the color of the outline that I want. And then on the bigger layer, I could just go ahead and slightly, well, no. Yes. I would go ahead and slightly decrease the size on that. And then it should, as you see, I don't think the color fully changed on this yet. I gotta change that. Change that. So it's a little bit funky right now, actually. So let me move this out the way so I'm not dealing with it. Okay. And then let me change the color. Edit. I'll do it black. Forgot you can't do it normally like Alright, well, actually I think we can change the color right here. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. I guess to change it you gotta select over it first. Aha. There we go. Alright. Now that that's done, I go ahead and just move that underneath I like Rust again. Took a little bit longer than it should. You can obviously get a little bit better at this. And then you just want to line it up to essentially be an outline now. This looks pretty flicking good. Now I could move it over a little bit, give it less of a 3D effect, maybe like just like that, maybe. As you see, like, look at that. That's a nice little outline, doesn't it? It's really cool. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you.